Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the LORT game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, you can just click on the search box and then type in LORT to begin your search. Once you find the LORT game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Since the game is still in early access, you may notice some bugs. Click on the Add to Cart button underneath to add this to your library. You can click on View My Cart to then continue towards your payment. Now, you may use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment method from the drop-down menu. Then just enter your credentials, followed by your billing information, and then you can complete your transaction, after which the game will be added to your library. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the LORT game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install LORT on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.